Today you might wonder why I'm dressed like this. It's a celebration day and I'm very happy because history is about to be made. Lots of millionaires are going to be made as a tap to earn cryptocurrency is about to launch. Pixelverse is launching on July 18, which is actually taking place in the next few hours. So far, at the time of making this video, 3 exchanges has confirmed the listing of Pixelverse for trading. The estimated time for trading is 12 p.m. UTC, which is 1 p.m. Nigerian time or West African time. In this video, we want to discuss the exchanges where Pixelverse will be listed for trading, how to trade your Pixfi tokens, how to connect your wallet and withdraw your Pixfi tokens, and every single thing you need to know about Pixelverse. But before we dive into these exciting topics, hello everyone, my name is Emmanuel Jacob and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, do well to hit on the subscribe button to subscribe and turn on post notification. Once you are done with that, just drop your name in the comments below so I can officially welcome you. One of the issues with most viewers is that they don't like watching most videos to the end. And I want to warn you that this is not one of the videos you should stop halfway through. Make sure you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss out on important informations, so you could also be able to know the right questions to ask so as to be able to be assisted in the comments below. If you are new to Pixelverse and you want to start tapping to earn the airdrop, I'm going to be showing you how to go about it toward the end of this video, and the link to get started is in the description of this video, so click on it to get started. Some of you are living in regrets because you are feeling left out as you were not able to jump on Pixelverse earlier enough, maybe because you were not informed or you did not take it seriously, right? You don't have to blame yourself. Things like this happens, and for you not to miss out on other important updates like this, I need you to join our Telegram channel, and you are going to find the link in the description of this video. After Notcoin, we saw many tap to earn crypto projects emerge before Pixelverse. However, many of these projects struggle to launch even after setting their launch dates and end up failing their users. The fact that Pixelverse is able to launch doesn't mean it's that easy. It's very difficult, and their timely launch shows that they actually did put in a lot of hard work to make Pixelverse what it is today. And in this regard, I believe the team behind Pixelverse deserves some accolades and celebration. So if you want to appreciate what Pixelverse is doing, I need you to type a very nice thank you message in the comments below. Hopefully, one of the team members of Pixelverse will get to see your thank you message, because it's not easy for someone to give you free money. Pixelverse started its world tour to meet community all over the world: PixelFest Seoul, PixelFest Hong Kong with DJ Soda, PixelFest Istanbul, and PixelFest Lagos. Yes, Pixelverse actually did come to Nigeria to show you how important they consider their community members. Pixelverse is all about community, fostering relationships, and meeting people. They bring our community together globally through PixelFest Events. They strengthen the bonds via in-person events, help players connect deeply from lasting friendships. They collect feedbacks via face-to-face meetings to improve the game. Boosting engagement, events like Pixelverse increase excitement, involvement, and player loyalty. Pixelverse is the largest Web3 ecosystem with 10 million daily active users, the fastest ever growing Web3 game, backed with best venture capitalists, featuring real-time player-to-player battles, meme coin partnerships, and huge Korean community. What is PixelTap? PixelTap is a play-to-earn game where you can earn by fighting, adopting bots, solving daily puzzles, and completing tasks. Since its launch day on May 31st, PixelTap has gained an incredible 70 million users. Following the success, Pixelverse has partnered with other leading projects like Bloom, with Glib Costa Rica as an angel investor in Pixelverse, Carrot Combat, and top meme coins in the Solana and Avalanche ecosystem, MEW and COQ. few. Pixelverse also announced the launch of its Pixelverse multiverse to add third-party games, starting with Huxley by Ben Morio. Pixelverse third-party title Huxley. But that is not even all. Pixelverse is currently building its own MMORPG, which is short for Massively Multiplayer Online Role-Playing Game. This is to show you that they are not just a tap-to-earn crypto project, but they have a game that will stand a test of time. And also, the Pixelverse team is building a web-based platform where players can create and own all items, properties, and organizations. This game will be connected to PixelTap in the near future. The Pixfi token will be used in the game, and users will share revenue from the game ecosystem of Pixelverse. And finally, staking of Pixfi token will also be possible. Pixelverse is one of the top 10 biggest Telegram channel in the world with over 10 million subscribers and has over 1 million subscribers on YouTube, making it one of the largest Web3 related YouTube channels out there. In case you are wondering, who is the founder of Pixelverse and who are the people behind this amazing project? Pixelverse is built by the former members of Binance listing team, Corey and Zirion, Kirill and Mamad. Pixelverse has attracted 7.5 million in funding from top gaming investors. Be sure to follow Pixelverse across various social media platforms. In the description of this video, you are going to find a link to the Telegram channel of Pixelverse, their YouTube channel, and their Twitter page. To learn more about Pixelverse, I have dropped a link in the description of this video that will take you to the white paper and also their official website. So now let us talk about the exchanges that has confirmed the listing of Pixelverse on July 18th. The first one is Bybit, the second one is HTC, and the third one is Bitget. These are the exchanges that has confirmed. So trading will start by 12 p.m. UTC July 18th. If you don't know how to trade Pixelverse once it is being listed, just click on this pop-up and it's going to take you to a video that will guide you on how to trade on Bybit, and you follow the same principles to sell your Pixelverse. I'm also going to drop the link in the description of this video, and if you don't have an account on Bybit, use the link in the description below and create an account. If you make a first-time deposit on Bybit, you are going to stand a chance to receive free $500 that you can use to trade the derivative market, Bitcoin specifically. To learn how to withdraw your Pixelverse or how to connect your wallet, make sure you check out my recent video, or you click on this pop-up and it's going to take you to the video. I'll also leave the link in the description of this video. If you have never tapped Pixelverse, let me show you how to get started. To get started, once you click on the link in the description, all you have to do is to click on Fight for Supply, and it's going to launch. On Pixelverse, you don't need to download any application, you just need to use your Telegram account to do this. Once this loads, every now and then just make sure you log in here and claim this. Just click on the full and claim it, and it's going to be added to your balance. Then you can click on invite, get your referral link and share it with your friends. Then you can play games by clicking on fight, and you can upgrade in order to be able to get to the next game. If you want to fight with other people, you can just click on random, and the system is going to match you with available user where you can fight with. Since I'm not ready to fight now, I'm just going to click on cancel. Then if you click on reward, you'll be able to claim daily rewards. Okay, I have a few hours left before I could be able to claim that. Then if you click on spin, you will be able to spin to win. Then if you click on play daily combo, in our Telegram channel, this is where we post daily combos wherein you are going to come here, select these avatars accordingly and get rewarded. So make sure you do that every single day, right? So if you click on task, these are social media tasks that you need to do, every single one of it. So you have seen the ones I've done already, and to do these tasks is not even hard. All you have to do is to just they say follow Kuri, our co-founder. You just click on it and it's going to take you to Twitter. Okay, I think I followed already and I'm waiting to be rewarded, right? Okay, they say you should follow this one, so you click on start. It will take you to Twitter. You follow. Once you are able to follow, all you have to do is to take a screenshot of that particular task. Take a screenshot and you go back to the Telegram and submit it. Usually once you're able to follow, just take a screenshot of the follow, come back to Telegram, and you are going to see where to submit the screenshots, and you submit it. Then in 24 hours your account is going to be credited with the promised reward. Alternatively, there is a written article that will guide you on how to navigate through the Pixelverse Tap to Earn application, and you are going to find a link in the description of this video that will take you to the simple guide. If you have any question, do well to drop it in the comments below. Like this video, share with the people you care about, and subscribe for more. And finally, don't forget to join our Telegram channel for more opportunities like this one.